Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the Scrum framework. Scrum framework, an agile project management methodology that emphasizes iterative progress, collaboration, and flexibility in managing complex projects. Originally developed for software development, Scrum has been widely adopted across various industries due to its effectiveness in enhancing team productivity and delivering high quality results. By the end of our session, you'll understand what is Scrum, why it's important, and how to implement it effectively in your organization. What is Scrum? Scrum is a framework that facilitates teamwork and project management through defined roles, events, and artifacts also. And key components of Scrum include first, roles. Product owner represents the stakeholders and is responsible for defining the product vision and managing the product backlog. Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum process, removes obstacles, and ensures that the team adheres to Scrum practices. Development team, a self-organizing group of professionals who work collaboratively to deliver increments of the product. Second, events. Sprint, a time-boxed iteration, usually for 2 to 4 weeks, during which a potentially shippable product increment is created. And sprint planning, a meeting at the beginning of each sprint where the team defines what work will be accomplished. Daily Scrum, a short daily meeting, 15 minutes for the team to synchronize activities and plan for the next 24 hours. Sprint review, a meeting at the end of each sprint to showcase completed work and gather feedback from stakeholders. Sprint retrospective, a meeting for the team to reflect on the sprint and identify areas for improvement. Third, artifacts, product backlog, an ordered list of all desired work on the project maintained by the product owner. Sprint backlog, the set of items selected from the product backlog to be completed during a sprint. Increment, the sum of all completed product backlog items at the end of a sprint. By following these components, Scrum promotes transparency, inspection, and adaptation throughout the project lifecycle. Why is a Scrum important? Understanding the importance of Scrum is crucial for several reasons. First, increased flexibility. Scrum allows teams to adapt quickly to changing requirements or market conditions, ensuring that projects remain relevant. Second, improved collaboration. The framework fosters teamwork and communication among team members and stakeholders, leading to better project outcomes. Third, higher quality deliverables. Regular feedback loops through sprint reviews help identify issues early, resulting in higher quality products. Fourth, faster time to market. By delivering increments in short cycles, Teams can release features more quickly and respond to customer feedback promptly. How to implement Scrum? Let's explore how organizations can implement Scrum through three unique business cases. Well, first business case is we have Spotify. As a challenge, Spotify needed to enhance its software development process while maintaining rapid innovation. As roles, Spotify structured the teams into cross-functional squads that operated like mini startups focused on specific features or user experiences. As events, they held regular sprint planning sessions to define goals for each 2-week sprint and daily stand-ups for progress updates. As artifacts, each squad maintained a product backlog that prioritized the features based on a user feedback and business value. And as a result, this agile approach allowed Spotify to continuously roll out new features while adapting quickly to user needs, significantly boosting user engagement. Second case, we have ING Bank. As challenge, ING Bank sought to improve its digital banking services amid increasing competition from fintech companies. As roles, ING adopted Scrum by forming small, autonomous teams with clear roles. Product owners defined priorities while Scrum Masters facilitated processes. As events, they implemented bi-weekly sprints with regular reviews involving stakeholders to showcase progress and gather feedback. As artifacts, the teams created detailed product backlogs that reflected customer needs and regulatory requirements in their banking services. As a result, this transformation led ING Bank to enhance its digital offerings significantly, resulting in increased customer satisfaction and market share. And the third case, we have case of Tesla. As challenge, Tesla aimed to accelerate its vehicle development process while ensuring high-quality standards. As roles, Tesla organized its engineering teams into cross-functional groups that collaborated closely throughout the development cycle. As events, they utilized sprints for rapid prototyping and held daily scrums to address challenges quickly as they arose. As artifacts, teams maintain backlogs that prioritize the features based on customer feedback from existing models and market trends. As a result, this agile approach enabled Tesla to bring innovative products to market faster than competitors while continuously improving vehicle performance based on user feedback. Now that we have covered the fundamentals of the Scrum framework along with 3 unique business case examples, let's open the floor for some questions. Question first, how do I start implementing Scrum in my organization? Begin by training your team on Scrum principles and practices. Identify a pilot projects where you can apply these concepts effectively. Question 2, can Scrum be applied in all industries? Yes. While it may require adaptation based on industry specifics, the principles of flexibility and iterative improvement are universally applicable. Question third, how can I measure success within a Scrum framework? Success can be measured through key performance indicators such as a team velocity, sprint completion rates, and customer satisfaction scores. Question 4. What if my team struggles with adopting agile practices? Consider providing coaching or mentorship from experienced agile practitioners who can guide your team through the transition process. Question 5. How do I ensure continuous improvement within my Scrum teams? Encourage regular retrospectives where teams can reflect on their process and outcomes, fostering a culture of learning and adaptation. Question 6. What are some common pitfalls when implementing Scrum? Common pitfalls include lack of management support, insufficient training for the team members, or failing to engage all stakeholders in the process. Question 7. How do I communicate my findings from Scrum analysis within my organization? Use of visual aids like charts or presentations that illustrate key insights about team performance and project outcomes. Question 8. Can I use a Scrum alongside other projects management methodologies? Yes, many organizations integrate Scrum practices with other methodologies like waterfall or lean for a more comprehensive approach. Question 9. How does competitive advantage factor into this analysis? Understanding your competitive advantages helps tailor your project strategies effectively. During the Scrum process, question 10. What tools can assist in managing Scrum projects? Consider using project management tools like Jira or Trello that facilitate tracking tasks, managing backlogs, and promoting collaboration among team members. Before we move to the side of the conclusion, we know that the repetition is the mother of the knowledge. And what we have discussed today was a Scrum framework. We understand that Scrum is a framework that facilitates teamwork and project management through defined roles, events, and artifacts. And key components of Scrum include the roles, events, artifacts. Roles include product owner, Scrum Master, development team. Events include sprint, sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, sprint retrospective. Artifacts include product backlog, sprint backlog, increment. Then we discussed why it's essential and crucial for several reasons to understand the importance of the Scrum, that there is increased flexibility, improved collaboration, higher quality deliverables, and faster time to the market. After that, we discussed the real-time world business cases of Spotify, ING Bank, and the Tesla, and we discussed the 10 questions. And in conclusion, the Scrum framework provides an invaluable approach for organizations looking to enhance their project delivery by focusing on flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. By implementing this methodology effectively, businesses can drive innovation, enhance customer satisfaction, and obviously achieve sustainable growth over time. Thank you all for joining me today. If you have any further questions or thoughts after the session, please don't hesitate and feel free to reach out later. Thank you.